Hey everyone, so today's question is, what is a living will? A living will is an end-of-life directive, and it often gets confused with a living trust, which is not the same thing, and a regular last will and testament, which is not the same thing. A living will is an end-of-life directive. It generally it might be a part of your healthcare proxy depending on your state, and it might be a separate document depending on your state. But it's basically a way for you to communicate what you would want to happen in the event that you were in a permanent vegetative state. Physicians have declared that there's no hope for any kind of a meaningful life, and you could be kept alive on machines, but you're not going to have any kind of a meaningful life. This is where you get to state your preference in writing. Would you want to be removed from life support? Would you not want to be removed from life support? Every state's form is a little bit different. It's not the same thing as a healthcare proxy. A healthcare proxy is where you pick someone to make medical decisions on your behalf if you can't communicate them yourself. The living will is slightly different because this is you stating now, while you have capacity, this is what I would want to happen if I were in this particular circumstance. So it's a good idea to have one if you would indeed like to be removed from life support in that circumstance, because if you don't have one, then your family is going to be left to decide and try to think about what you would have wanted, and there might be disagreements among family members. That causes a lot of problems. So speak to an attorney licensed in your state about the living will in your state. We include these in all of our estate plans for our clients, assuming they want one.